Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem, Wakakadash, and the Heavenly Father, which you name is Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashmadash Holy Tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders, apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of January 8th, 2026 on this Thursday afternoon. And this is from the SanFranciscoGate.com, published by David Sharon, if I pronounce his name right, from the whole page editor from the San Francisco Gate. Magnitude of a 4.2 earthquake shakes northern Bay Area early Thursday. It says an earthquake of a magnitude 4.2 shook the area of northern Sonoma County early Thursday. It says an earthquake. It says in Slovakia. It says an earthquake with a magnitude of 4.2 shook the northern Bay Area early Thursday morning. The United States Geological Society reported the quake occurred 12 a.m. with an epicenter real in the Sonoma County, 7.6 miles northeast of Cloverdale and about 7.7 miles southwest of the Gators, and a frequent seismic activity. The depth of the quake was 1.42 miles, 2.3 kilometers. The quake had 185 reports of being felt on the USGS site as of 5:45 a.m., according from the residents and the Valley Joe. There were no injuries reported, damages, or injuries. That's Slovakia. And this is from the earthquake.usgs.gov, and it reads 2.5 earthquake recorded east of Eugenston of Alaska. It says 5.3 earthquake recorded 60 kilometers west of northwest of Merkblob of Takistan. 3.6 earthquake recorded 112 kilometers north of Yaklok, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake recorded 33 kilometers west of Anchor Point, Alaska. 5.0 earthquake recorded 14 kilometers southwest of Pattaya, New Zealand. 2.6 earthquake recorded 56 kilometers east of Agglunat of Alaska. 2.9 earthquake recorded 18 kilometers east of northeast of Willow, Alaska. 4.4 earthquake recorded 64 kilometers east of Martali of Morocco. 5.3 earthquake recorded 101 kilometers south and southeast of Markle, Tajikistan. 3.1 earthquake recorded 7 kilometers west of northwest of Edgersfield, Louisiana. 3.1 earthquake recorded 31 kilometers north of northwest of Edgersfield, Louisiana. 5.2 earthquake recorded 71 kilometers south of San Augustin del Valle Bratelli of Argentina, if I pronounced that right. 2.8 earthquake recorded 39 kilometers north of northwest of Valdez, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake recorded southeast of the Loyal Islands. 3.1 earthquake recorded 119 kilometers north of Yakutat of Alaska. 4.4 earthquake recorded 15 kilometers southeast of Mactu, New Zealand. 4.5 earthquake recorded 71 kilometers north of northeast of Canina, Chile. 3.1 earthquake recorded. 73 kilometers north of Tarias Nevias of Ponte of Puerto Rico. 2.7 earthquake recorded 31 kilometers north of northwest of Valdez, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake recorded 13 kilometers of Carbondale, California, and a 4.2 earthquake 12 kilometers north of northeast of Carbondale, California. I believe that's over there in the northern part of the Bay Area. 2.5 earthquake recorded 6 kilometers southeast of Maria and Tania, Puerto Rico. 3.2 earthquake recorded 14 kilometers north of northwest of Camuel, Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake 288 kilometers southeast to southeast of Solia, Bantu. 3.2 earthquake recorded 72 kilometers north of Tarias Navas, Aponte, Puerto Rico. 2.5 earthquake recorded 26 kilometers west to southwest of Scottsdale, Alaska. 2.8 earthquake recorded 41 kilometers of Anchor Point, Alaska. Right, so those was the latest earthquakes as of January the 8th, 2026 on this Thursday afternoon. And this is the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. Oh, that's Job. Psalms 18 and verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, and the foundations also the heads was moved with shaking because of wrath. Right, so we're going to see the great increase in great shakings of the Heavenly Father visit the earth with the earthquakes, and that's what we're seeing. And this is the prophet Isaiah chapter 29 in verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempest and the flaming fire. Right, so we're going to see Yahweh of hosts as the prophet Isaiah was mentioned. That we're going to see the Heavenly Father, Yahweh of hosts, visit the earth with the weather-like conditions, and especially particularly with the earthquakes. And this is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be heaven. Right, so we're definitely seeing great earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. Sit down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of January the 8th, 2026 on this Thursday afternoon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem, Wakar Kadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Bahashem. In the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lost Wankadah Sultan, and I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.